Next, we will go to the coconut soup making recipe. So first note down the ingredients: 2 coconuts grated, 2 blades of mace, 1 salt spoon of cinnamon, 3 pins of butter, the juice of lemon, 2 eggs, 1 ounce of Allinson fine wheat meal, pepper and salt to taste. This was the ingredient. Now next go to the cooking steps. First boil the coconut in the water, add the mace, cinnamon and seasoning. Next we have to cook gently for an hour. Strain the mixture through a sieve and then return the soup to the saucepan again. Next we have to make a paste of the eggs, wheat meal and lemon juice. And then we have to add it to the soup and let it boil before serving. Then we have to simmer it up for 5 minutes and serve with a little plain boiled rice. So that is all for the coconut soup. Please try this healthy dish. Thank you.